ZipBooks simplifies accounting for small businesses and freelancers. This section covers the essentials: invoicing and expense tracking. First, we'll create a professional invoice. Customize templates with your logo and payment terms. Set up recurring invoices and automated payment reminders. Track invoice statuses: sent, viewed, paid easily. Next, we'll move on to expense tracking. Upload receipts via mobile or desktop. ZipBooks uses AI to auto-categorize expenses, saving you time. Track mileage and generate expense reports. Set up rules to flag duplicate entries. These core functions streamline your financial management. ZipBooks Dashboard provides a real-time overview of your business finances with key performance indicators at a glance. Track essential metrics like revenue, expenses, and profit through visual charts and graphs. Monitor accounts receivable with aging summaries and customer payment trends. Generate customizable reports to analyze your financial performance. The profit and loss statement shows revenue, costs, and net profit over a period. Review sales figures, cost of goods sold, and operating expenses to understand profitability. The balance sheet displays your company's assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. Compare current and non-current assets against liabilities to assess financial health. Track accounts receivable aging to see outstanding payments by due date categories. Identify overdue invoices and manage cash flow by monitoring payment terms and amounts due. Similarly, monitor accounts payable aging to track outstanding bills and vendor payments. Categorize payments by aging periods to prioritize bill payments and maintain good vendor relationships. Set up budgets to plan expenses and compare actual performance against targets. ZipBooks integration with banks and other platforms automatically syncs data, reducing manual entry and ensuring accuracy. By mastering these reporting and dashboard features, gain valuable insights to make informed business decisions.